Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to talk about what happens when you run a car low on oil or with no oil. What happens when you run a car low on oil? Running a car low on oil or with no oil can lead to severe damage to the engine. Here's what can happen. Reduced lubrication. Insufficient oil means less protection for the engine's moving parts, leading to increased friction and wear. Overheating. Oil helps dissipate heat generated by the engine. Low oil levels can cause the engine to overheat, leading to further damage. Premature engine failure. Over time, running on low oil can cause significant damage to the engine's internal components, potentially leading to complete engine failure. What happens when you run a car with no oil? Seizure. Without oil, the engine's metal components will grind against each other, causing them to seize or lock up. This can result in catastrophic damage to the engine. Total engine failure. In severe cases, running a car with no oil can lead to complete engine failure, requiring a costly replacement. Signs of low oil pressure warning light. This is a clear indication that your oil level is low. Engine noise. Reduced oil can cause increased engine noise, particularly a knocking or tapping sound. Reduced engine performance. Low oil can affect the engine's performance, leading to decreased power and sluggish acceleration. Smoke. If you notice smoke coming from your exhaust, it could be a sign of low oil or other engine problems. Prevention. Regular oil checks. Regularly check your oil level using the dipstick. Regular oil changes. Adhere to your vehicle's recommended oil change intervals. Listen to your car. Pay attention to any unusual noises or warning lights. If you suspect your car is low on oil, it's crucial to address the issue immediately. Continuing to drive with low oil levels can lead to significant and costly damage. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more car care tips. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions.